Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Appst Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can recover your Pinterest account. Keep watching the video till the end. To recover your Pinterest account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Pinterest application. The official page of Pinterest account will appear on the screen. Enter your email address and tap on continue. On the next page, click on forgotten password option. A reset link will be sent to your email address. Open your email and tap on reset link sent by Pinterest. Now create a new password for your Pinterest account and tap on login. This is how you can recover your Pinterest account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.